Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change ringtone on your HUAWEI P60 PRO phone. To change our ringtone, we have to go to settings. It's right here. Next we have to go to sound and vibration option here. Then we need to scroll a little bit down. We have our ringtones here. This is default one. We can change. We can change for what we want. And the ringtone is now changed. Also, we can change the volume of our ringtone. Very easy to do, and that's simply it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.